Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add or enable Word add-ins in Microsoft Word. So let's get straightforward. So the first step would be click on the file right here. So let's click it, and then you'll need to go to the options right here, as you can see. So click on the options, and now what you'll need to do is go to the add-ins right here, and basically now you'll need to select on manage and select Word add-ins. So select that and click on go. Basically right here you will see that you can add a template if you want to, for like let's say for the global templates and add-ins. You can click on this button and add an add-in. So that's pretty much it, guys. After that, click on OK, and that's how you add an add-in. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.